Hi everyone, if you want to be a smarter trader and one who doesn't waste money, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I review different trading strategies. I code these strategies and I also complete them with various settings so that you can trade more efficiently. Each strategy contains advanced options including multiple stop types, multi-time frame filters, free risk, trailing stops, and more. You can have all of them completely free. Our channel is highly recommended to all traders because I take viral trading strategies from around the world. I will add a lot of features and options to them and make them available for free exclusively to our channel members. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you can stay up to date with every new strategy release and take full advantage of these wonderful tools. The strategies we review in our channel are often some of the most popular strategies on YouTube, and I analyze them, test them, and turn them into practical, ready-to-use, and completely free strategies. You can set alerts and apply other customizations all for free, and test these strategies across various currency pairs and time frames. This lets you make sure that this strategy is profitable or not, whether in backtesting, forward testing, or live trading. If you're trading with your personal strategy and you'd like your own strategy to be coded, or you want to create or improve any other indicator or strategy, feel free to contact me on my Telegram. Link to the page related to this free strategy is below the video, and you can just click the link, go to the page, and hit add to favorites. This way the strategy will be added to your list and always accessible. Every week, I release one or two fully automated advanced new strategies. I hope these free strategies help you become a more successful and profitable traders. Now let's dive into the video and let me show you this new strategy in detail. On this video, we're going to review and test the 5 minutes scalping strategy that is presented on this first video, as you can see here. Okay, the name of the strategy is 5 minutes scalping strategy, highest win rate. Okay, let's start coding it and review this strategy using robots and backtesting it on different currencies and different time frames to see the results. Okay, this is exactly what I'm going to show you here. Let's get straight to the chart. Okay, my friends. There is an indicator named the Arty, the Moving Average Official Indicator by Phoenix. Okay, we insert this to the chart. Okay, this strategy settings contains some moving averages along with some candlestick patterns and also risk management. And this part we have trading session or time trading session that you can choose if you like to work within a specific time session. Okay, the strategy says that at first we should have a 200 moving average. It's SMMA moving average. You should add this to the chart. If the price is above the 200 moving average, you enter long positions. And if the price is below this line, you take short position. There are two candle patterns. One of them is one candle engulfing and the next one is triple candle engulfing for entering the position. And also it should be on a specific time session, and I used this one, New York, America, for entering the position. Okay, and so our first condition is 200 SMMA or 200 moving average. If the price is below, we take long position, and when the price if the price is above, we take long position, and when the price is below, we take short position. If we're going to enter a long position, we have to add RSI and this the RSI setting that required. We turn these off because we don't need them. Okay, But this part, we make this line thicker to be more clear. Okay. If RSI is above the 50 RSI, we take long position, and when it goes down below this line, we take short position. So RSI should be considered. Our first condition is moving average. The second condition is choosing a specific time session for trade. And here is New York, America. And outside of it, we will not enter to a position. And wherever we get 1 candle or 3 candle approval for engulfing, we will enter a position. As you can see here, we have engulfing approval. Here we have another one and another one here. Here with engulfing approval, we can enter a position. At this position, you can actually have a stop loss of twice the length of the candle. And also a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. In that video, he said we can use RSI divergence. Okay, let me see. RSI divergence. I add this to the chart, this one, and he says you can also use it as another condition to an approval of divergence on several previous candles. So you can take long or short position. But of course, it's optional. You can use it if you want, or you can escape it. He says only risk 1% of all your money. I think that's a good advice. And also you can use opposite direction of RSI divergence to exit the position. I coded this strategy with its all rules and all conditions. If you have also any strategies that you want to be coded or getting the access to this strategy and my other strategies, send me a message on my Telegram, or if you are interested to gain the access of my VIP strategies, contact me on my Telegram. The link is in description down below. Now I'm going to insert my coded strategy to the chart. You see, the lines we have in our strategy are exactly the same lines that he used. So our moving average is like this, and we added this RSI indicator to the chart here. We added the 50 RSI line rules in the strategy. Above RSI 50 line, we take long, and below this line, we take short. I added this condition in the strategy script, so it doesn't need to be shown here. Well, the next thing that I should mention is time session. You can see we also have this part in my strategy. Okay, in this part, the Arty Moving Average, you can turn on each time sessions that you want. You can use these entry options, entry engulf, 1 candle, and you can turn the opposite divergence on. And when you had opposite direction and you had opposite divergence, you can exit the position. The next part is using filter RSI 50. You can use this filter for taking long and short positions. I explained it to you how you can use this filter, and the next part is RSI divergence filter. You can use this filter RSI divergence, the number of how many candles divergence will be valid. So it means up to 50 candles this divergence is valid, and more than that it is not acceptable. And finally, we have the moving average. It is SMMA. You see it in the chart, and you can use it as an entry filter. And of course, you can customize all these settings. And definitely the most important thing for all the settings is being profitable. So according to the things we have just reviewed, in 5-minute time frame in this currency Sol, as in Solana, that we have it took 40 trades and 40% win rate and 44% profit was taken. Here on this session, according to the changes that we make on the settings, we can change our profit or loss placing. For example, we can change this part. Instead of the stop loss with the length of one candle, we increase it to, for example, 14 candles. Actually, I don't know what will happen. It can be better or worse. Okay. You see, it doesn't have a good result. Okay, we can choose 7 candles, for example, or anything else. Stop loss 2 ATR and risk to reward 2. We can also use other options here. We can use trail stop, or here we can have free risk. We can change the risk amount of all money here. We can increase or decrease this percentage. We can also add date filter and different time related filters to make our strategy more profitable. We can active EMA filter, okay, or using Ichimoku filter, multi-time frame, and also we can use multi-time frame MACD. And for MACDs, we can add volume filter and parabolic SAR, or ADX and stochastic. And if we are interested in divergences, we can choose here. For entry approval, we can use all of these settings to optimize our strategy and get better results. You can see with these little changes that we made, the profit here changed, and we have a 12% profit gain and 56% win rate in 5-minute time frame. It all depends on us and how we change its settings to improve it. We can turn off RSI 50 filter that we had here and see the results of not having this filter. Okay, it's better now. Or we can turn off the divergence here, that was the approval of our entry, and see what will happen. Wow, you see the result is way better. It means this filter is not useful here in this strategy on this condition, and not having the divergence can be helpful here. Now, if we return the RSI filter, we can see our strategy is still profitable and it can be better. Or we can choose different time sessions. You can add or remove any of them. It is obvious that you can manually take 1067 positions that also have different options applied to them. It's impossible to do this manually. It should be done using robots. For example, look at the chart here. It exited using trail stop. Here exited with trail stop again. Here we have take profit. This one stopped. Here in only one candle takes its own profit and then exits. You see, it all depends on which settings that you choose to have take profit or stop loss. It is absolutely impossible to do this manually. It should be coded, and alert must be set for them. And this alert that we set here according to this strategy, it makes this strategy profitable. See what we have here. This profit percentage and this net profit are great, just with a few changes in this strategy. These are advantages of using coding. If you are interested to have this strategy and use it with your own setting changes that you are able to make to gain more profit from this strategy, you can send me a message on my Telegram. You see, Without any exaggeration, you can have a good profit. This is 5-minute time frame, and we have the list of trade on this part for 1000 trades. This is November 7, and this is for 75 days of trading. And this strategy gives a wonderful overview. The other options and abilities that this strategy gives is that we can see the number of the continue loss and continue win, that is 7 to 12. We can also see win rate here, and also how many times continue loss repeated can be seen here. We can set alerts for it to take automatic trades for us, or connect directly to the exchange, or if you want, you can trade manually with this strategy alerts. You can use this strategy with different ways and different settings. A few changes on this strategy can have interesting results. If I turn on the compounding on the settings section, then you can have a great exponential profit here using compounding. Wow, 95%, 95,000%. But actually, I'm not looking for these huge and phenomenal profits. This is the miracle of compounding. At the end, you are the one who decides what method or which way should be used to enter a trade. If you had any questions or any strategies that you wanted to backtest it on the chart, or you want to code it, text me on Telegram and let me know. Have a good time.